So guys, today I want to show you an amazing way to make up to $1,000 per day, doing literally nothing. Now what I mean by nothing? I mean 95% of the work is done for you. You just spend 1 minute and just a few clicks, and the work is done. You can start earning money from today, $100, $300, or even up to $1,000 online. This is a genuine method. I will not just tell you, I will show you in a second that people are really making this amount of money online. If you don't want to miss this earning opportunity, then watch the full video and I will give you a bonus tip at the end. If you don't watch the full video, then you will not understand the technique, and at the end of the day you will make zero money. I don't want you to live as a broke guy and without your own freedom. I want you to fulfill your hobby and spend more time with your family. So guys, I want to clear you that this is a worldwide free method, and you don't need to pay anyone for anything. So before we move into the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you an extremely cool way to make up to $1,000 online. I'm not talking about making a couple of dollars only, I am talking about making $1,000 per day guys. So moving into the video, I want you to go to this website, Fiverr.com. Now I want you to click this logo design button, or you can search here. I'm clicking the button. Then that's gonna bring you to this page. Now these all are called gigs. Let's click the first one. So guys, this person selling logos on Fiverr and his standard price is $45. Now I want you to pay close attention here. Look. This person already sold 10,395 logos to his customers. If we multiply this amount with the standard price, then we will see this person earned $467,775 this far. Now, this is not just the end. Look at this, 94 orders in queue. So guys, I want to clear with you again that you don't have to be a logo designer to earn that much money. You don't need any advanced skills. I will show you in a second, without having any graphic design skill, how you can do that and earn up to $1,000 per day. If you're excited about that, then click the red subscribe button and smash the like button right now. Alright, so this person has 94 orders currently running. Now if we multiply 94 with this standard price, then we're getting $4,230 guys. It means this person has $4,230 orders running. Incredible. This is really incredible. Can you make this amount of money? Of course you can. I will show you each and everything step by step, so don't miss any part. Now guys, let's go to the main topic, how you will make the logo. Now once again, don't worry, you don't have to create any logo yourself. Now let's just say you got an order to make a logo. To do that, I want you to go to this website, freelogodesign.org. And this is their homepage. So basically what this website does, this website provides free service to create logos for free in just a few clicks. Everything is done for you. As you can see here, these are different templates and different types of designs done for you. These all are professional logos. I am gonna show you right now how to use this website with real examples. As I told you, you don't have to be a graphic designer to make a professional logo. You will create an entire logo with just a few clicks. So right now let me show you how to do this. So guys, simply here you will put the company name, which you have got from your Fiverr client. Then you will choose a category, basically what this company is about. Let's just say it's a fashion and beauty. Then you'll click this button, get started. After that, it generated tons of designs for you as you see here. Guys, we came to the exciting part, so out of the video I want you to do a very simple task. If you still have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe and hit the like. Okay, move into the video. As you see here, they designed tons of professional logos with the company name. If you scroll down, it will load more and more. Now what you can do, you can download any of them and use them totally for free. Choose any of them and deliver them to your Fiverr client. Now if your Fiverr client is not satisfied with the logo, then you can simply choose another one and send it again. So as I told you, 95% of the work is done for you. You'll just get the company name from your client, and you will simply paste it here. That's just a few clicks and your logo is ready. You can do that over and over again without any graphic design knowledge, and earn up to $1,000 per day or even more. Now let's just say, you want to provide this logo to your client. All you gonna do is just click this choose button. Then it's gonna bring you to this page. Here you can edit the logo, you can change the text, or any other customization that you want. Let's just say you want to make this image a little bigger, and you want to make the text a little smaller, and you want to change the text color as well. You can add text, add icon, add shape and add logo. So guys, it's already professionally designed for you. You don't have to do any customization, but if you want, then of course you can. Now once you finish the customization, then you will click this download button to download on your computer. So guys, let's go back to Fiverr and click this join button. You can easily join with Facebook, Google, Apple, or manually type here your email, and click continue, then finish your registration and it's completely free. Now guys, it's bonus time. Not only Fiverr you can sell logos and make money. You can do that on Freelancer, Upwork, People Per Hour, and you can increase your earnings further. Lots of freelancers are providing logo services on the freelance marketplace, then why you should not try? Go ahead and grab the money. In my next video, I will show you how you can create an SEO optimized gig, which will rank on Fiverr, and it will generate you lots of money. Don't miss the video. So hope you guys learned something in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.